Hi, class. I hope you're doing okay. We are moving into one of our getting to be close to the last bits of our semester. I know it's really shocking to imagine that we're probably about 3 weeks out, but you've almost done it. So big congratulations on that part. And papers are done. So the only paper you have left is that one small 2 page-ish response to an article of your choosing based on the articles we've already read. So you get to revisit one that spoke to you best throughout the semester. Um, so basically, what we're going to do this week is we are going to look at. Let me make it a little bigger so you can see. Oh, that didn't look so good. Let's go back up here. Here we are. We are going to look at. Let me make it bigger one more time. Sorry. I should have done this before I put you on the screen. Oh well, here we are. So you have 2 readings this week, and you're going to think about a couple things. So Howard Becker is an old school sociologist. I think you may have even. No, you haven't read any Becker yet. That's right. But Becker is kind of an interesting cat. He went to grad school and he paid his way through grad school by doing jazz musicianship. And so while he was in the jazz scene, he was kind of also being kind of exposed to marijuana use, but it was a really long time ago, before it was widely used, before it was certainly before it was legal, and pre kind of being as strong as it is now, I guess, and that science has sort of changed its tune in terms of its chemical addictive properties. But this is all about social construction of reality, the way he looks at it. And it's really, really interesting. So I don't want to spoil it. I just want you to read it. I want you to kind of think about what he's proposing and kind of what your take is on it. So you'll be able to respond to it in the discussion forum. And then the other part is breaching. So it's a article. It's sorry, I don't know why I'm stumbling over my words today. But a conception of and experiments with trust as a condition. Okay, so we trust that social norms will be followed, and we trust that things will go as planned. And so this article is about kind of breaking social norms, or what we could call breaching, and how kind of the people that were breached reacted. And so in the discussion forum, you're also going to talk about that. And in the discussion forum, you're going to watch a really short clip, because in this class, normally what I would have you do in the good old days or whatever, the pre-pandemic days, you all would go break a social norm as in small groups, and see how people reacted to you, both for your own kind of how you felt about it, but then also how people respond to you. So there's a tiny clip of a breaching experiment that took place at my other school, College of Marin, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and you can kind of watch it. They titled it "Laying in Public," and it's pretty short. So those are the 3 things that you're going to be kind of using this. That's the data you're going to use to post in this week's discussion forum, basically. So yeah, so that's that. And I hope everybody is staying safe and well, and just really glad that we are doing so much work and getting close to being done. And you deserve to pat yourself on the back for all the good work you've done. And I look forward to seeing what you have to say about breaching. And maybe I should offer extra credit. If you want to break a social norm, shoot me an email, and then we can have a conversation, and you could do a write-up about it, or you could film it. I love that part of this class usually, so I'm a little bit sad that we're not doing it. But anyways, all right, so that's that. Take good care.